Hey, Terry Jones, a principal with the Village at Port Manchac. Wanted to talk to you about the process, if we're approved, and what we're asking from the port, what the request is. Our process is going to involve three major sections. One is public meetings. We want to interact with the public. We want the ideas about this process, and we do want to be transparent in the process. We want to work with groups such as the Manchac Greenway. Obviously with the port itself, we'll be working with the parish and parish officials. But we want to hear from you, the public, as well in this process. So there will be a lot of public meetings. In addition, we've got a lot of due diligence to do. The next phase will require us to do a lot of geotechnical work, environmental studies, other regulatory studies, and it will also include permitting. That's a really important one, because we want everyone to understand not one shovel of dirt gets turned until we've been approved through permitting processes. That's permitting that happens right here in this parish, and that's also a public process. We also have to have state approvals, and we'll need some federal approvals. So there's a lot of permitting that goes on. Again, nothing happens until this project has been permitted. We also have to do feasibility studies. We want to really understand the market and the demographics so that we can fine-tune what we're going to offer. It will also help us in guiding us on exactly the specific programming and the size. This is a situation where there's only 140 acres to develop. No more. That's it. That's all that's ever going to be developed. And we want to scale this development appropriately for the environment, and we want to build into the environment so it looks like it fits, it belongs, it works with the environment. In terms of the request, our request is pretty straightforward. It's a request for an 18-month option to allow us to do all of that due diligence, the public meetings, and the feasibility studies. It's broken down into 3 6-month periods. At 6 months and at 12 months, we'll be reporting to the port, to the parish, and to you, the public, on the specific milestones that have been set up that we're working with the port on that would allow that everyone gets to see. These are our objectives for this 6 months. This is what we're going to do. This is what we're going to come and report on. At the end of it, if our due diligence confirms what we believe from all of our preliminary due diligence that we've been doing over all these months, and if permitting is a go for us as well, only then would we actually move forward with the development. In that process, we'll be working with you, with the port officials, with parish officials to help make sure that everybody understands and everybody's giving input into what will actually get built. On July 10th, the Port Commission will vote on our project. We need your voice to be heard. If you like our project, if you feel like this would be good for your region, good for your economy, good for the environment, then please click the link and let your voice be heard. It takes 15 seconds and it will make a difference because you'll be heard by the Port Commission. Thank you.